Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Bolt Firebolt Explode BS1500 Bluetooth speaker. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says it's IPX7 waterproof, it's portable and compact, and it has a deep bass. And what else do we have? It's a Bluetooth speaker, it's water resistant, it's shockproof, and it has up to 6 hours of battery backup. Okay, so that's about it. Let me just go ahead and open this up for you. So as soon as it opens up, so I got some promotional stuff in here, some materials, some documents. And this is the box that it actually comes in. So on opening up, they've got a audio cable that comes with it. There is a charging cable, and this is the actual speaker itself. So let's just go ahead and set that out. So there you go. That's what the actual speaker itself looks like. It's pretty rugged. It says the model number is the BS1500. Its capacity, it has a 1200 mAh battery and it runs on 5 volts input power. At the back it says open. So as you can see, all the ports are at the back. There's an aux cable which they provided. It has a micro SD card slot, TF card it says. There's a USB, so you can plug in a USB pen drive with songs and play them off of here. And that's your power charging port over here. And this is actually pretty neat. So this is, once it's secured, it protects that from water, so it's splash proof. It's got a lanyard that's attached which you can carry it around with, and all the buttons are on the top over here. So your power button, that's your menu button for pairing it, and your volume up, volume down, and your play and pause. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Firebolt BS1500 model number Bluetooth speaker. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.